if you want to make money, I'm going to lay it on you. I'm going to give you the secret that I did when I was a total newbie, and it made me a lot of money. It made me, just as a beginner, not knowing what I was doing, from day one, minute one, it made me $400 an hour. And it only went up from there. So watch this video, pay attention, because what I'm about to give you is extremely valuable. Let me get there. Don't jump ahead and don't think you know what I'm about to say. So what I did was I created turnkey merchandise websites, and I sold them as turnkey businesses to a hungry market. But there is a twist. I did it in a special way, and I marketed to a special segment of people. So what did I do? I made websites of souvenir goods for tourist destinations. For example, one of the biggest websites that made me the most amount of money when I made them and sold them and flipped them was Hawaiian souvenir goods websites. Now, the thing about this is people bought those websites like hotcakes, but they did not buy them because they thought they were going to make a lot of money selling Hawaiian souvenirs. They bought them because of how I sold the website. And I said, look, the person that buys this website is going to get pretty much free trips to Hawaii because the wholesaler of these goods is on Oahu. And if you go there, you get to write that trip off on your taxes as a business expense because you own this website. Now, I would also say a disclaimer in there, consult with your CPA about the details of all this before you buy this website, whatever. People bought the websites like insanity just for the write-offs on their taxes. Now, here's the thing. There are a million wholesale companies that sell wholesale goods, tourist goods, souvenir goods, for any tourist destination. So, Hawaiian goods, Jamaica, the Caribbean, any island in the Caribbean, the Virgin Islands, Palm Springs, Las Vegas, any tourist destination that people go to. So here's what I suggest you do. Now, keep listening because it gets better. Do a Google search or go on to ChatGPT and ask it to give you the top 10 tourist destinations by number of tourists that go there per year. Get that list. Make those websites. Now, here's the thing. You've got an inventory of 10 destinations, 10 tourist destinations. Each one of those destinations can make you a ton of money because you can make as many websites for that one destination as you want. Let's say the top destination is Hawaii. So you go on to Namecheap and you buy a domain name like HawaiianGifts.com. And then all you do is you go to that Hawaiian souvenir company, the whole Google search, wholesale Hawaiian goods. You get their catalog online. You drop the images on your website and add little buy buttons. You don't even make the buy buttons active. This website does not need any prior traffic nor prior sales. It can be a total brand new website and people will buy it for a premium price. Again, just to get the write-off. So you tell people when they buy the website from you, they get a complete guide on making the website active, whatever. You can get ChatGPT to write those instructions for you, whatever platform you're using to host that website. Just step-by-step guide on how to, if you add PayPal buttons or a PayPal shopping cart, You just tell them how to activate it and make it active. Very simple, very easy. Transfer the domain. Domain name costs you $9 a year. That's your risk, $9 a year. And then whatever your hosting fee is for whatever website maker you use is. Now, remember, I said I got $400 an hour when I did this. That was because back in those days, this was like a million years ago, website makers were very clumsy and I did not know what I was doing. So it took me 2 hours to make a single website. And I sold those websites for $800 a piece. Bang, 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 bang. Now, back in those days, there was only one place to sell websites, and that was on eBay. Now you've got eBay, Flippa, Upwork, a million places. Fiverr, you can sell them on Fiverr like insanity. So I can go into detail about this, but I don't want to make this video super long. Hopefully you're getting the idea because this is easy. Right now, there are website makers out there. I could make a website, a tourist souvenir website, retail website in about, my guess is about 35 minutes total. Done. Turnkey, ready to go. Ready to sell to someone else. Super simple. Super easy money. Now, remember, I said you've got 10 different websites. Each website you can make an unlimited number of with a different domain name. So you should be able to sell at least 10 of these websites a week if you do it right. $800 a piece or whatever. If you want to sell them at a bargain, you could sell them for $200 a piece. So you do the math, $200 a piece times 10 per week. So that's times 4, $8,000 a month. What is that? For nothing. You could even outsource the work of having these websites built. Okay, now here's another little twist. If you want to make a website of souvenir goods in a particular place, let's say Palm Springs, and you can't find a wholesale supplier in Palm Springs, it does not matter. You can still do this. Let's say you find a wholesale supplier of Palm Springs souvenirs in, I don't know, Podunk, right? It doesn't matter because you can still sell this as a tax write-off situation because you can tell people when they go to Palm Springs and go call on gift shops within Palm Springs and say, hey, would you like to buy our Palm Springs souvenir goods wholesale? Even if they say no, even if these shops say no, it doesn't matter. It's a business trip write-off. So you can see how this will work in any situation. Very simple, very easy, great money, super simple to do. And super simple to flip these websites and make a ton of money. Now, having shown you this and having talked about this, full transparency, this is not what I do to make my money these days. I hate making websites. I just hate it. I don't care how much money I can make doing it. I found something even easier and much more profitable. And I'm willing to show you step by step by step. Now, what you're looking at right now is the kind of money that I make doing this every day, every week, every month, every year. And I have been for the past 15 years or so. This is not a little fly-by-night thing. This is a real business that makes real money, recurring income. And I only work probably about maybe 6 hours a month. That's it. I take at least one vacation a month every month. And this is the business that allows me to do it. If you're interested, go to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, link below. And on checkout, enter the promo code SUPERDEAL10, SUPERDEAL10, all caps. Once you get into the members area, I'm going to show you exactly what I do. It's not an abstract thing where I'm telling you, buy this course and you'll make money. This is what I myself do and have done for the past 15 years to make phenomenal money. You can do this. Anybody can do it. And if you find that you have trouble, I give you the phone number where you can call me up and I will give you free one-on-one coaching from me, not from a virtual assistant, from me. So there it is. Do it, don't do it. It's entirely up to you. But, I'm only going to run this promo for so long, so jump on it. Cheers.